In India, there are various authorities involved in the enforcement of AML regulations. Some of the regulatory bodies are the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, which deals with the regulation of banking and financial sector in India, the Securities Exchange Board of India, SEBI, which regulates the security market in India, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, IRDAI, which regulates the insurance industry in India. Additionally, the Directorate of Enforcement is a specialized financial investigation agency under the Department of Revenue, Ministry of Finance, Government of India, which enforces the Foreign Exchange Management Act 1999, FEMA, and Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002, PMLA. Financial Intelligence Unit. The Financial Intelligence Unit, FIU, was set by the Government of India on November 18, 2004, as the central national agency responsible for receiving, processing, analyzing, and disseminating information relating to suspect financial transactions to enforcement agencies and foreign FIUs. In case of non-compliance, the Director of FIU-IND can impose a monetary penalty on the institution or the institution's designated director on the board or any of the institution's employees. The penalty amount may vary from 10,000 rupees to 1 lakh for each failure. Let's take a look at the reporting requirements to FIU-IND. Financial institutions are required to report certain kinds of transactions to the FIU-IND in the given time frame. The transactions to be reported are as follows: 1. Cash transaction, 2. Counterfeit currency, 3. Suspicious transactions, and 4. Non-profit organization transactions. Cash transactions higher than INR 10 lakhs or its equivalent in foreign currency in a calendar month are to be reported to the FIU-IND by the 15th day of the succeeding month. Counterfeit currency. Cash transactions where forged or counterfeit currency or banknotes have been used, or where forgery of valuable security has taken place, have to be reported to the FIU-IND by the 15th day of the next month. Suspicious transaction. If a transaction seems suspicious, whether made in cash or not, it must be reported to the FIU-IND within 7 days of arriving at a conclusion that the transaction is suspicious. Non-profit organization transactions. Transactions that involve receipts with value more than INR 10 lakhs or its equivalent in foreign currency have to be reported to the FIU-IND by the 15th day of the succeeding month. Maintenance of records under PMLA. The Prevention of Money Laundering Act specifies maintaining the following records: financial transactions with details of nature, amount, currency, date of transaction, and parties to transaction for a period of 5 years from the date of transaction, KYC documentation for a period of 5 years from the date of cessation of relationship.